Hey everybody, in this project I'm doing something I never thought I would do. This old set of deck furniture came with the house. It's all aged and badly weathered, to the point where it's rickety. My initial thought was that we should give it away, put it out on the curb. It turns out my wife is oddly attached to the furniture, even though it's ready to fall apart. On the other hand, to replace a full set of cedar outdoor furniture would be really expensive. Now I went to Home Depot and I got this cedar board. I'm going to use this with a 1/2-inch rounded profile for both the seat support as well as the backrest. So I drilled an opening in the pocket, slid in the new material, glued it, and screwed it down. The chair proved to be more difficult, and part of the problem is that I deluded myself, thinking that I could replace maybe 1 or 2 of the backrest supports when really the whole thing needed to go. A bunch of difficulties came up, basically revealing that the bottom rail needed to come off and be stabilized. I had this epoxy wood putty, which was not cheap on hand, so I'm using that to stabilize the material.
Soon giving in is time, 'cause we're falling apart. Love didn't find your heart. Nights didn't count, lies didn't count at all.
Sometimes I get deluded and impatient, and that's the case here, where I was trying to rebuild material that had rotted away from these back supports. In the end, I went back to Home Depot, got another piece of cedar, and recreated these 18-inch back supports all across this chair. After initially failing with screws, I used an oak dowel, and I put a generous coating of boiled linseed oil all over the new back rails and the old wood. I tightened whatever connectors still had a little movement in them. And I have to say, in the end, it was quite rewarding to to repair this chair and this bench. Thanks for checking out my channel. Hope you enjoyed this rehab. Keep tuning in if you enjoyed what you saw, and we'll see you next time.